Thank you to all the speakers, as well as to the attendees, you guys, for being present and here. My first time in Ottawa, so I'm actually excited to be here. Today I'm talking about Lisk and the blockchain project that we actually have, which is making its way into which is using JavaScript to power the space and to include an accessible and powerful future with decentralization and blockchain. So, to introduce myself, my name is Jan Lisfont. I'm community manager at Lisk. My mission today, again, is to explain what blockchain is to you all. Some of you have a good understanding or a basic understanding, and to also explain how we're bridging JavaScript and blockchain together as one. And I'd like to start off, which I think would be helpful, by showing you guys a quick video. I hope that you guys enjoy it quickly. So.
Have you ever realized how little we actually know? Think about it. Every day we buy products without really knowing how they're produced. We have the most advanced justice system in human history, but still face fraud and corruption. Medical discoveries happen every day, but in a serious emergency, our medical records are still hard to access. Smart homes are on the horizon, but can we really trust them? In this age of information, we have sacrificed our privacy. We have no clue what is happening with our personal data.
This is where we are today, but progress is already happening in the form of a technology with revolutionary potential, Lisk's blockchain technology.
Imagine applications that tackle our society's challenges piece by piece. When you buy something, you know exactly where it came from, what it contains, and how it got to you. You will be able to make emerging technology trustworthy. We could reduce corruption by bringing transparency into our world. When you need it most, you will be able to share your medical records in an instant, safely and securely. And finally, you become the one and only owner of your personal data. To accelerate this innovation, we created Lisk, a blockchain application platform that enables you to easily create and distribute your own blockchain applications. Access the power of blockchain. Lisk.
So that was a short 90-second video to show you guys what the power of blockchain is, and obviously through the use of JavaScript in the blockchain ecosystem and space, which we believe will be the leader of the coding language in the blockchain technology. So that was a few use cases and an introduction of what can come from blockchain and as well as Lisk. To continue with that, again, I'm speaking about blockchain and JavaScript. So my agenda today, I'll explain what blockchain is. I'll go into detail why blockchain is called a blockchain, and I'll do that. I'll try doing that visually with animations. I'll speak on the Lisk platform, what's to come. We'll do a little short Lisk vlog later on in the end, and we're also looking for developers to join our team, so we're hiring. This actual presentation and discussion is powered by Lisk Academy. It's a brand new platform that we launched related to education and providing you guys an understanding and a platform to go and learn more about blockchain technologies and the technicalities of it as well. So you guys can visit lisk.io/academy. So the question today is, it literally is the question today. What is blockchain? I know that you guys, I've spoken to some of you, and you guys have told me that you've heard of blockchain, obviously, that it's been all over Twitter, Facebook, all these social media platforms, everyone's talking about it. So when you hear the word blockchain, what do you think about it? From what I've come to understand, it's either two things. Someone either does not know anything at all about blockchain, or they automatically tie it to Bitcoin. And the ones that tie it to Bitcoin sometimes think that they're both the same things. So blockchain is simply a technology that's actually infrastructured to host protocols like Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is the protocol or platform application that's built using that technology to create the first use case also of like decentralized cryptocurrency and a decentralized monetary system as well. To put it simply, blockchain is a database, a digital ledger that copies and distributes data publicly and chronologically in an unbreakable, secure, and immutable manner. So that's kind of the entire just thing of blockchain in one simple sentence. So to visualize this, wish I could move around. To visualize this, we'll start with a block on the screen. So this block currently is an open block, and it's waiting for people to provide it information, data. So that person can be either you, myself, anyone in this room. So how it goes from someone providing data to the block or network, and the network actually making its way into the blockchain, onto the blockchain. It requires something called a consensus algorithm mechanism that actually powers blockchain and gives it great value. And to learn more about that, you can visit lisk.io/academy to learn more on what a consensus algorithm is. And what happens then is it distributes, when you actually provide this block data, the network takes this information, distributes it to the actual entire network, or most of them. And within the network actually takes the time to confirm and validate the information that's been provided to make sure it's not trying to be forged, hacked, or compromised. And as soon as that validation happens, it gets placed onto the block where then at that point in time is confirmed fully. It cannot be reversed, changed, or altered in any way, shape, or form, creating, again, another block as that one closes to receive information. The same process happens. Once that's confirmed, it's never again able to be removed, altered, or changeable, and it creates a chain, a block that continues happening, which is why blockchain is called blockchain. Now the Lisk platform, what we're doing with Lisk is we're taking this technology and expanding it from its initial use case, which was to decentralize monetization and money and currency. And we're involving that idea to actually take care of everything else that was missing within what Bitcoin created and actually founded and fostered as well. So with that, we are now creating an actually decentralized application platform based on the coding language of JavaScript again, to allow anyone to create an application or a blockchain on top of the Lisk platform. In one sentence, I think I already actually said it. Lisk is a decentralized blockchain application platform that enables anyone to easily create and deploy their own blockchain system. So it's not only applications, as well as their decentralized applications in the coding language of JavaScript. We're powered by Node.js and as our engine machine, and also PostgreSQL as our database. The advantages. So the advantages of Lisk as well as blockchain. Transparency. So being that the Lisk, or how blockchain actually works, is it distributes the data. It distributes the blockchain data is not only to yourself, but to anyone else who's actually using this network, and also allows you to view this data, to even download it. It creates a very transparent ecosystem and framework that allows anyone to confirm anything that has ever happened in the blockchain or in that space. Another advantage is reliability and trust. Being that the blockchain is hosted on many different networks, or devices, peers, and nodes and such, it allows for a decentralized, uptime, and reliable actual database. And it also includes many different people to actually secure this network, not only having it a central institution, but also decentralizing that area. Structural security. So to go deeper into that, being that, so currently in the current state of time, to hack a system, let's say if we're trying to hack, I want to use something small because I don't want it to be big. Let's say, just a local store, right? Let's say a local store. We're trying to hack a local grocery store. What you would have to do in order to do that, you would have to actually access or compromise their database, correct? So what blockchain offers is a decentralized database. So in order for you to hack or compromise this database, you would need to hack or compromise in the smallest form over 51% of the actual network in order for you to do anything to this blockchain system, offering the best structural security that you can actually find currently by removing the central authority. And the last is immutability, which I went over. With blockchain having an actual record of not being a public record and not allowing for anything to be removed, altered, or changed, it offers mutability, which is sometimes not found in any other central institution or authority. What can you do with Lisk through the power of JavaScript? you can create a social media platform, a gaming app, a shop, a movie platform, Netflix, messaging app, a web browser, or obviously the reason why I'm here is whatever it is that you all can actually create through your experience of coding through JavaScript and the power of JavaScript. And this is how the Lisk ecosystem will look and continue to grow over time. So we also just began a new initiative, being that we're so closely tied to JavaScript and the JavaScript community. We began a new initiative where we're sponsoring open source JavaScript projects. A great example is PG Promise and Socket Cluster. And to kind of jump off of that, what's beautiful with this is that we've also onboarded both of the creators of these projects to work on Lisk and the Lisk ecosystem and platform. So they're currently working to establish and grow out the Lisk structure. The Lisk project can also be found on Lisk GitHub. On the GitHub, we have currently over 2,100 stars and are growing rapidly with that. And I think I have, just to kind of give you guys an understanding more so of what and how blockchain projects works and also how Lisk is. I know that some people have just different ideas of blockchain and how it's mysterious and everything and that it's not legit at times. So I want to show you guys a quick little vlog. It's going to be fun. Just a quick thing before lunch, just to make it a little fun. Hello Lisk community, my name is Jan Lisfont, community manager here at Lisk, accompanied by Matt Piaggi, another community manager here at Lisk, and we are introducing the very first Lisk vlog, which is also a new series into the Lisk YouTube channel, while also enjoying the beautiful weather of spring here in Berlin, Germany.
Yeah, so guys, the Lisk vlog is going to include updates from the month that was.
Yes.
This month we've got some really exciting updates. The patch release, some updates from Lisk Hub, some interviews with various members of the team. But to kick things off, Eve, our HR generalist, is going to take you through the new office.
Yes, she is!
Hi, I'm Eve. I'm the HR generalist for Lisk Lightcurve, and I want to tell you a bit about our offices. On March 1st, we moved up a couple floors at Potsdamer Platz and are now in a huge office that holds the entire team. We decided to move to encourage better communication and create a better team spirit.
Konnichiwa, my name is Shusetsu Tora. I'm a full stack developer at Lisk.
Hi, I'm Pablo from Spain, front-end software engineer, recently joined Lisk.
Hey, I'm Bart. I'm from Belgium. I'm a designer here at Lisk.
Hi, I'm Michael. I'm from Poland. I am front-end developer at Lisk.
Hi, my name is Selina. I'm from Switzerland and I am an office manager here at Lisk.
In the past, we conducted daily stand-up meetings with the whole company. We have grown fast in the last few months so that we decided to change the format. On Mondays, the teams kick it off with the lead defining the weekly sprint planning. And each morning, the teams meet for a quick session to report progress or issues related to their tasks. These meetings are an essential part of our Scrum process and are also designed to keep all team members aligned and on track. Also, every first Friday of the month, we organize a company-wide meeting where all the leads update the rest of the company and discuss strategies for the upcoming months. These meetings help us to stay informed on the other team's tasks. I would say that the keys to Lisk success are clear communication, clearly defined roles, and a well-structured vision.
This month we had a number of development updates. Will Clark introduced the Lisk template. It's a repository for improving and coordinating coding standards across the Lisk ecosystem. There's a blog post about it so you can go and check it out in more detail. We also have a patch release and updates to the Lisk Hub. Maciej and Ali are going to talk you through those.
Hi, my name is Maciej. I'm a developer for Lisk Core. Very happy to introduce new patch release 0.9.12, which was fixing the big its consistency that we've encountered. Also, community discovered it, so thank you very much. The issue was inconsistent state of unconfirmed and confirmed balance in our accounts table, which in a shortcut was leading to inconsistent state between accepting or rejecting particular transactions across different nodes of our network. The issue was pretty complicated. We were tackling it very strong, and we've put a lot of effort to test it properly internally on the QA process, which means that we've actually done a pretty intense network simulation. I'm really happy with the changes that we made, and I'm really sure that the network is much safer than it was before. Right now, all our focus is into Lisk Core 1.0 version, so be prepared for it. Thank you, guys.
But first, we go deeper into the Lisk Hub. And Lisk Hub is basically the first of our tools that is not exclusively designed for developers. Functionalities including, for example, the wallet, transactions, voting, Explore, the things you are currently used to, but all in a one-stop shop.
My name is Ali. I'm a part of front-end team in Lisk, and I mainly work on Lisk Explorer and Lisk Hub. By the relaunch event, we introduced Lisk Hub as a new version of Lisk Nano. By then it was a web version, a web wallet, and then in March we introduced a Lisk Hub application. During the last month, we updated our unit test, increased the test coverage, we introduced integration tests, we also optimized our end-to-end tests. All of them will help us ensure that the user experience is safe and the application will behave exactly the way that we expected, and there's no security hole in it.
Hi, this is Tobias from Lisk, a developer.
And I'm Jacob from marketing, and we're out here in Hong Kong for the Token 2049 conference.
Yeah, we have an amazing team actually. We're here with 7 people. We're going all over the conference and hope to make great connections.
It's great to see so much blockchain activity going on right here in Hong Kong.
So starting in January, with the help of Expand Online, we launched paid search ads on Google AdWords. Near the end of February, after the relaunch, we expanded tests on AdWords to support a broader range of words, and this will support the content on Lisk Academy. The majority of our paid advertising is being managed by Lightcurve, and these platforms include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and Reddit. To date, we've delivered 2 million impressions globally across all platforms. So over 300,000 video plays, 20,000 conversions, and I can also say that we've gathered insights on top countries according to engagement and conversions. Given recent news from Google, Facebook, and Twitter, we have scheduled meetings with each of them to get more clarity on how these rules will impact us moving forward. The next few weeks, I'm focusing on optimizing the campaigns, gathering key insights, and I'm really excited about all of the new people that will ultimately be exposed to Lisk through our paid advertising.
We've had some amazing meetups over the past month all around the world. So in China, in Japan, in the US, around Europe. It's been really cool to see the community come out in numbers and talk about all of the new aspects that were new post-relaunch. We want to provide more support for you guys. From Lisk HQ, we're going to build a portal on the website with resources, presentation material, and then more general support from Jan and myself as well.
Of course, in addition to that, we're also going to begin focusing and strengthening our relationships with post-secondary schools and universities, as well as institutions. So if you as a student or professor were ever to be interested in hosting an event in your school, or a community member hosting an event anywhere over the world, please reach out to us at events@lisk.io.
At Lightcurve, we're always looking for new talent to come and join our team here in Berlin. Whether you're more on the technical side as a developer, all the way through to the marketing and communications team, please check out our website for the open positions and apply online.
We'll be doing shout outs to our community members. This time we chose 3 great community members. That will be Stellar Dynamic, Blockspace, as well as Tony. Thank you for all the work that you guys do in creating value in the ecosystem. We hope that you all enjoyed this monthly vlog and hope to see you in the next month. Bye.
See you guys.
Yeah, that was our very first Lisk vlog. We actually changed our video content platform to be more transparent and open. So I hope that makes you feel a little bit better about the Lisk project and blockchain space as a whole. We can't speak for the entire space, but we can definitely speak for Lisk. And we're looking to make deep impacts within the future that we all live in, and hopefully we'll continue to live in for sure. So as you guys heard in the video, we are hiring. Currently, we employ 40 employees, or 40 team members, and we're looking to double that this year in size. We're looking for cryptographers, DevOps engineers, backend engineers, QA engineers, quality assurance engineers, as well as designers. So if any of you see yourself being fit enough to do this and would like to move to Berlin, we actually move people out there. Go ahead and contact us at careers@lightcurve.io. I believe this is all I have to speak about. I appreciate all of you for taking the time to listen to this and to watch our vlog and everything, so I appreciate it. Thank you all.